Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. My name is Ronaldin Salvestre, 26 years old. I am a single mother with 3 kids. My firstborn is twin, 6 years old. My secondborn is boy, 3 years old. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the first child of the family. I am Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, undergraduate. I did not finish my college because of financial problem.
Okay, thank you. And since you have 3 kids, are you the one who is taking care of them since they were born?
Yes, sir.
And who will take care of them when you work abroad?
My mother, sir.
And do you have work experience abroad before?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please tell me about your work experience?
I worked at Kuwait for 2 years. They are a couple and they have kids. They are 5, 12, 10, 8, 4, and 2 years old. My duties are taking care of the baby, cooking, washing clothes, ironing the clothes, and cooking.
Okay. So they are a couple with 5 children.
Yes, sir.
And how would you describe your employers?
They are good to me, sir.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, sir.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking, can work under pressure, honest, and responsible.
And are you a happy person too?
Yes, sir.
And do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because of my family needs. I want to work abroad for my children's education.
Okay, and are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share, to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please sing it?
5 little monkey. 5 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
Okay, thank you. And do you have a food allergy?
no, sir.
Are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Would you accept no day off, but employer will pay you instead?
Yes, sir.
If you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir. I want to focus my work.
Okay, and would you like to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
And do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a smoke? Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you have a full consent to your family and husband to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And will you please say something or a short message to your future employer?
Good morning, sir and ma'am. If you select me as a domestic helper, I will finish my contract and I will extend if needed. I am trustworthy, hardworking, and responsible person. Good day and God bless, ma'am and sir.
Okay. And one more question. Can you promise that you will take good care of your employer's children as your own children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's all for today, and thank you for coming.
Thank you.